Hi, I'm Chris from DentureTech. Like everyone else, we're in lockdown at the moment. We've done this to protect our staff, our patients, ourselves, and everybody else in New Zealand. Now, we understand that during this time, accidents may happen. If you do break a denture, then we suggest the best thing to do is to phone our 0800 number. Our call centre will answer 24 hours a day. They will be in touch with us and we will give you a phone call. We from there can organise a video conference if this is more convenient for you. There are home help and tips that we can give to help get you through this unusual time. Once we have got through this lockdown, we will be in touch and we will be able to get you in and take care of your denture problems. Everyone out there, stay safe, look after yourselves. Thank you.